Hello, my name is Hector Mestre, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the new Wyze Light Switch. But before we go any further, I want you to subscribe and turn on your notifications so every time we upload a new video, you get it, and also like that, you can help grow the channel. Wyze is a company dedicated to make smart home products at a very affordable price, such as security cameras, lighting, and personal smart devices. So now let's go for what we were waiting for, the unboxing, all right? Let's open this. Okay, so I see how it is here. All right, it's well packed. Oh, I think I'm missing a little piece somewhere in there. Okay, there it goes. All right, everything seems to be covered in plastic. Let's take one out. It is completely flat, and this right here on the front, I guess it's just a push to turn on and a push to turn off. It looks pretty solid. It doesn't weigh that much at all. Everything seems to be plastic with some metal screws around here. And I'm guessing this is all the smart section right here. But it looks nice. Same thing. So let's see what's inside here. Let's put this to a side. Here we have the wire connectors. Another wire. I have to see how to connect this. It's just a regular electrical wire. Let's see what else we have here. Here we have the same thing repeated again, and the same thing repeated again. So this is a simple package. 3 switches, exactly the same, and 3 packages with the same cables and the same connections. So nothing special here. Very simple, very nice. And some papers here. I don't know if these are instructions or I think this is a sticker also right here. Yep, I think these are the stickers that go on the wire, like labels, so you can label each wire that you take out from the wall. And if you didn't know, you can actually switch this white plastic plate for one of your choice, and I'm gonna show you how to replace it. So we're gonna go ahead and hold it here from the back, and we're gonna pull from each corner, and it just slides off. So here we have the switch without the plastic plate. This is the back. This is what it looks like without the actual cover. And now let's go to my favorite part, to install. All right guys, this is the light switch I'm gonna be replacing today. So I'm gonna take this metal plate out. As you can see, this is just a regular switch. Nothing special. Now let's remove the switch from the wall. Since I'm blind, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the cables, and then the cable that I remove, I'm gonna go ahead and directly install it on the new switch without taking all the cables out, so I can go ahead and know which cable is the one that I replaced and removed. So I'm gonna start with the top cable. So the one that went over here goes on the top over here on this Wyze switch. For those who know about electricity, it's pretty normal for them, nothing special, but I'm legally blind, so you don't really want me to be making mistakes with electricity. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna remove this cable from the switch. Now I'm gonna be replacing the ground. Now I'm gonna go ahead and look for the neutral cable, which it should be back here. Let me see if I find it. Here it is. I'm gonna pull it out. It has two cables. So I'm gonna go ahead, open that, and I'm gonna add the cable that comes with the Wyze switch. Now I'm gonna grab the other cover from the other side and I'm gonna remove it. Now this time I'm gonna make sure that I twist the very tip of the cable because I want it to be as hard as possible. Because the hole here where it has to go into, it is pretty small, and I can see that if I don't twist it, it might open up in the way in. All right, all the cables are pretty tight. Now let's go turn on the breaker to make sure that everything works fine. Alrighty, so let's test this out. Okay, it looks like the light is working over here in my dining room. It also makes a click sound that lets me know that it's doing something, that is receiving electricity, so that's a good thing. And now let me go turn off the breakers so I can go ahead and put it into the wall and we can install the plate. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take the screws out from the package. Let me take one out first so I don't drop the other one. And let's put this into the wall. As you can see, everything is already installed. All is left to see is how reliable these light switches are, but I'll be giving you guys an update very soon. I hope this video was a great help to you. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit like, turn on your notifications, and if you have any questions, just write them in the comments below and I'll answer as soon as possible. Thank you.